Yes, absolute zero means 0 Kelvin. Minus 273 degrees Celsius. Minus 273 degrees Celsius is called absolute zero. Or another term, it is equal to 0 Kelvin. It is 0 Kelvin. This is not reached by scientists. Still, this is not impossible to reach. Scientists is trying to reach this temperature, but it is not reachable still. Next is the range of laboratory thermometer is, range means minimum and maximum. So range is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This is the reading of laboratory thermometer. So this is called range. Range means the difference between them, and difference is 120. This is the range. Lowest and smallest gap. Lowest and largest gap is called range. And what is the range of clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer are made from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So this is the range. Range is 7 degree. 42 minus 35, 7. In sixth question, normal room temperature in Celsius is 20 degree. 20 degree is obtained by using AC, air conditioners. So this air conditioner's temperature is called normal room temperature. Its value is 20 degrees Celsius. 20, yes. Next is very short answer question. Hot and cold are called temperature. Yes. Second one is dash and dash are two commonly used liquids in thermometer. So first one is mercury, second is alcohol. Alcohol. Do you know Galileo Galilei was the scientist who invented first thermometer, and what liquid he uses? Do you know? Galileo Galilei was earliest scientist. What liquid he uses in the first manufactured thermometer? He uses water. He made thermometer using water. If we use water instead of mercury, it rises 13 times more than mercury. If mercury rises only few centimeter, then the water will rise in 13 degrees, 13 centimeter. So 13 times more water in capillary rises. So our fever, if we want to measure our water thermometer, then the thermometer height is so much lengthy, 13 times more than the mercury thermometer. That is not possible to measure. Now third is freezing point of water in Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. So 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth one is a point where all molecule vibration almost ceases. Ceases means all becomes good conductor. Non-metal, metal all become good conductor, and it is possible at 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin per temperature is still scientist is not capable to reach. Fifth is immediate after keeping a glass of cold water down. If you place your hand in the normal water, it will feel cold or warm. So answer is warm. So this is activity. This is activity. Fifth question is activity. You can do this activity with your sister. So there is, you need two water. One is glass of cold water, and second is normal water. First is cold water. Second is normal water. And if you place your hand in the normal water, and then you feel, then you put in the first you put in the cold water, then you put in the normal water, you will feel warm. Next is 6. 6 is accurately body temperature can be measured with the help of clinical thermometer. Accurately body temperature is measured by using of clinical thermometer. So clinical thermometer is medical thermometer. So it is used by scientists, and the doctors use these thermometer. Now in the bottom there is accession and region type question. First accession region type question is, we should use digital clinical thermometer to measure temperature of various objects. Region, the range of digital clinical thermometer is between 35 degree to 42 degree. This is wrong. Digital thermometer can measure any range digitally. There is no mercury, so it measures electronically and it gives us many range. So region is not correct. So region is not correct. So there is D option. D option means accession is false and region is true. Similarly, second accession and region question is also, we can come to know whether an object is hot or cold through the sense of touch. It is not possible. Region, sense of touch is the more reliable means of knowing the hot or cold of an object. So there is C option given. Accession is true but region is false. Say region, because touching method is not more reliable, it sometimes give a wrong reading. Like warm and cold water experiment, it will give wrong answer. And 100-degree water, is it not possible to dip our finger in the 100-degree water, boiled water? It will burn. It is not accurately measured by finger. Third question, accession region. Kelvin is the SI unit of measuring temperature. This is correct. Region, the normal body temperature is 310 Kelvin. Yes, 37 plus 273, 310 Kelvin. Both are correct. But the region is not clearly explaining the accession. For fifth, after third is, fifth question is there. Accession, lowest possible temperature is called absolute zero. This is correct. A region, an object at absolute zero does not contain any heat at all. Yes, this is correct. Both are correct. This is correct explanation. So this is the book work.